Hello, this is Riley and welcome to my week 4 multimedia discussion for MPA 530. For this week assignment, we're going to take a look at the City of Stanton, California Comprehensive Annual Fiscal Report or CAFR, and to see whether or not the city is fiscally solvent. What indicators did I use to assess for the city's fiscal solvency, and also to compare the CAFR and the city's budget. Based on the section of statement of net position on the city's CAFR, the city is fiscally solvent because it owns more than it owes. To come to this conclusion, we're going to take the numbers in red, which is from the total assets of almost $149 million, combined with the total deferred outflow of resources, which is around $7.5 million. Subtract the total number to the total liabilities of around $12 million and the total deferred inflow of resources of almost $950,000 million. We have the total net position of around $143 million for the city of Stanton, and this number is in the total assets, like what the city owns in terms of building, land, and everything. Some indicators to show that the city is fiscally solvent include these unrestricted fund, which is around $21 million, which is a positive number, and also based on the statement of activity, the total revenue based on all the programs was about $22 million. Compared with the expense to run those programs around $18 million. So the city have a net position around $5 million, which is also a positive number. When we compare the city CAFRs and the city budgets for the same fiscal year of 2018 and 2019, we can see that the city did a good job of summarize its fiscal year on its website, even though based on the CAFR it showed that the city spent around $21,700,000 for the public safety, while on the budget it only put $21,500,000. So there is around $200,000 gap between the CAFR and the city budget for the public safety. The same go with public work. There is around $20,000 different, but that number is not very big. But again, the CAFR is able to show more detail and then more about the true number of what the city spent for a fiscal year.